Hey guys, so this season I saw a lot of snowboarders having lights on their board and I thought that was really cool, so I wanted to do the same. So let's do it.
So in order to get lights on my board, I ended up using LED lights, double-sided tape, scissors, a pouch, alcohol wipes, and a snowboard. All this will be linked below. These LED lights are water resistant and they're perfect for this project since they have a layer of protection while in the snow. The pouch goes on your leading foot. Since I'm goofy, I'm putting it on my right binding. One LED strip covers half the board. I've been riding with one strip since last year and have held up, so now I'm adding the other half. And if you ever want to take off the lights, it's fairly easy and can be made smaller by cutting with scissors. So first thing is to clean the board with the alcohol wipes so they can stick properly. And then you can start putting on the LED strips. When going around, it's easiest to bend near the brown copper area since it's the most flexible. As you can see, it's more bendable here rather than where the light is. Where it's more bendable is where you want to start bending to make a loop around the board. And final thing is to press down the LED strips to stick properly and they won't fall off. And they're on. And this part is not necessary, but I wanted to upgrade the battery packs to be powered by a portable charger instead, which is why I'm cutting the cords. I ended up cutting an old USB charging cable and connecting everything together. This is what I did for my electric skateboard to be powered by a portable charger also, so it's basically the same design but on my skateboard.
Alright, it looks like it works. So I realized that the last night riding session near where I live was 3 weeks ago, so I won't be able to test it out. I also wanted to test out like an LED matrix added to my backpack. I have a sample right here, how my vision, but we'll see if I do. Maybe like I'll try to use it for my backpack for when I go running or something. But for now, thank you guys for watching. See you guys.